And were there any challenges you ran into during the deployment process besides just the compliance issue?
Um, Now, I'll tell you something that's happened just recently with the product that's really been driving us up the wall. the so everybody installed this thing, and then recent in the last few months we started getting these complaints that people can't get to certain websites, and that there's this green W in their their Chrome or Firefox or whatever, and we didn't even know what they were talking about, the green W. And it turns out it basically had installed a helper application in the web browser that started like policing what websites they could go to. And we never asked it to do this.
Gotcha.
And yeah, it just like, and frankly, I found the dashboard to be really confusing, or the monitoring tool. Um, and I found that it was very hard to shut it off if you needed to, like on my own laptop. So this must be a simulation here, but looks like found some of them very fast.
Okay.
Oh, and you can see what happened. All right, so I see we have a couple that's not working on.
Okay. So what would you do in this case if this were actually happening on your network that a couple of them failed?
Well, I see there's logs, so maybe. Oh, not Java. Java errors are the worst. Oh, Jenkins, look at that. Huh.
In what ways did it resemble your current process, or in what ways was it different?
It's pretty much the same thing,
Yeah.
just presented better, I
Okay.
would say. I mean, it's the same logistics as any other endpoint distribution that I've used. I would say it's 100% easier than FortiClient from
Hmm.
Fortinet. I'd say it's
Okay.
50% easier than, FortiClient is just not intuitive at all. Um, and as far as, with WebRoot, it's very similar. Um, but I, for some reason, find it more visually appealing.
Okay.